We are at Knudson Hall, and we have the ThyssenKrupp. This fully replaced an older Otis. So it would have been nice to see the old elevator, but that's okay. Also, I guess the lanterns don't work. I have had several math classes in this building. And they were all in the same classroom too. I'll show y'all. It's right here. There's an actual class going on in that room, so I'm not gonna be able to show you. It's a ThyssenKrupp. And it's actually kind of interesting because you really don't see the blue Atoll with this red indicator. At least I haven't. Let's get a picture of the COP. Here's your COP, indicator, and then we'll get a cab view. Oops, sorry, my finger got in the shot. All right. Yeah. So this fully replaced something much older.